are so pretty, 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 pretty. Baby girl, you are so pretty, 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 pretty. Females need you just to trick me, trick me, trick me, trick me. 'Cause baby girl, you are so easily pretty. The only reason that I can do tonight is 'cause I'm...
Hello, my beautiful viewers. Welcome back to Julie Jules World. And a special welcome to my new subscribers. Thank you for joining me today. I have a fun and easy project that I'm bringing to you. A Dollar Tree wire basket. What you will need is 2 display easel. I hope I'm pronouncing that right, guys. As well as some cable ties. Dollar Tree bath mats. And you're going to need like 4 of these. And you're going to need 4 of Dollar Tree cooling rack. And so let's go ahead and get into our tutorials. First things first, we are going to be manipulating these baskets. We're going to bend them in position that we want them in. This part here up. And then you're going to have 4 racks that looks like this. Let's get our cable ties and put these together. You guys know the process. I'm going to go ahead and rotate the camera so you can see a better position. Then we can continue our tutorial. Let's go ahead and continue. So you're going to cable tie these like that. And then you're going to do it for the other ones as well. I went ahead and just put cable wires, 4 top and then the 4 bottom there. And you see inside of there just have a small hold, and I want to cover that hold with the bath mats. The next step that we're going to do, we're going to be covering this up to cut this down to the size of the cooling racks so it can fit on there. This step ahead of time, I'm going to get 2 of them, already cut it down to size, right? So you're gonna have 2 of them that has longer length. This one here, we're gonna put that up here, and then we're gonna cover the bottom part with this because I want to cover that hold. It's gonna come down here, and we're gonna cable tie this onto here. We're gonna get two of these that's this size. It's gonna be right here. The other one's gonna be on this side here. Both of them is the same position. And we're gonna get another 2 pieces that we're gonna put right here, and this piece doesn't need to be long like the other ones, just 2 short ones. These 2 here helps to cover the hole at the bottom. Go ahead and cut your mat out to this size here, the exact size right here, like how mine's is. And then we're gonna fold that in, and we're gonna cable tie this. So let's go ahead and cable tie these. Put 3 at the bottom here. I'm gonna do that for all 4 corners. The other long one's gonna go on this other side over here. So let's do the same thing for this side, and then we put the other 2 on this side, and then we get to the next step. This is how it should look after you have all 4 corners covered. Let's get that display easel. This is going to be our handles, and we're going to be putting them right there. What we're going to do for both of these, we are going to just bend it, flatten it all the way down, and that's what we're going to be putting up here. And it sits so much better at the top there. And then we're going to be cable tying this, make sure it's centered, and then cable tie that on there. I'm going to do it for both of these as well. I'll cable tie it between the inside here and then outside. Pull it together so you can tighten that up. Okay, y'all, I just want to show you where I put the cable ties. So I connected through the cooling rack as well as through the other 2 metals. Let's see. And that's the results. And so you have your two. You can carry it with you. I'm going to spray paint this gold and then I'll show you afterwards, but that's it for our tutorial. It looks so good. And then the bottom part is covered now. So I put Kegel ties right here, one right here. I didn't put any on this end. It's not necessary because they hold it up pretty good. But yeah, all you need is, I put 2 down here, 2 to the top here, and then 2 in the center. And that was it for the bottom. And it covered the whole thing. I think it looks beautiful. Look at that. Looks really great, guys. So let me go ahead and do that. Let me go ahead and spray paint it, and then I'll show you guys the results. I just sprayed the outside and then do the inside of it. The spray got right through it, so I didn't need to do the inside. I think it came out beautiful. I do love it. I was thinking about going white, but handles had gold and I just want to go gold. But white would look nice with this, y'all. I think white would look really pretty with it. And then the gold handle, I think that would be really nice. I think I'm gonna make one that's gold and then another one that's white. So I just threw a pillow and get in there just to see how it looked with something inside of it. It's really good. Thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and thumbs up this video, please.